The Supreme Court bench faces its toughest test yet as it delivers one of the most awaited judgments. The court will tomorrow decide if the presidential election was, as President-elect William Ruto put it, much ado about nothing, or if it was indeed, as Azimio leader Raila Odinga put it, a travesty. Whichever way they decide, there is no doubt that the bench too will be on trial. NTV's Leila Mohammed looks at the enormous weight on their shoulders.
Lady Justice Martha Koome's biggest test yet as the president of the Supreme Court is in this presidential petition pitting Raila Odinga versus William Ruto. And whichever way she and 6 other judges rule, history will be made once again.
We will deliver our judgment on Monday the 5th. We shall give you notice closer to that day.
In a country that was once known for political interference in the judiciary, Chief Justice Martha Koome is no pushover. The country first got a taste of her leadership during the BBI appeal case, when the apex court sunk President Uhuru Kenyatta's wish to change the constitution.
The appeal is disallowed on issue number 3. Those are the orders of the court.
But once again, the Supreme Court's reputation for independence and fairness is on trial.
Such a kinds of scenarios raises the question as to the kind of verification done, if at all.
The Supreme Court had long polished its image as an independent arbiter in recent precedents. The Justice David Maraga-led bench in 2017 became the first African court to scrap the victory of a sitting president when its judges nullified the election of Uhuru Kenyatta for a second term. Any perceived misstep in the ruling by Koome or the 6 judges she presides over could damage public faith in the judiciary and imperil the transfer of power. The weight of the assignment on their shoulders is not lost on them.
Pray for us as we undertake the next phase.
The Supreme Court, the final arbiter, is expected to bring to an end the election cycle or prolong it, should it decide that the election was flawed and send Kenyans back to the ballot. The decision will be historic either way. If the court upholds the election, William Ruto will write history as having broken the number 2 curse and won the presidency in his first time of asking.
A
decision nullifying the outcome of the vote will once again be another historic win for Raila Odinga in the topmost court in the land. The verdict will reverberate beyond the outcome of the challenge, with the 7-judge courts had one reputation for independence also on the line in the closely watched outcome. Leila Mohammed, NTV.